very normal for them to go to the beach in hurricane. I mean, this is nothing to them, right? But for me, it's like, ooh, it's so exciting. I don't know, like this is just things were falling off the roof and shit. I'm like, ooh. Like something fell off there in the pool, all the light bulbs. Like, you guys see this? It's insane. Look at the sky. Who are trying to report in the tropical. But like this is not a hurricane for them. It's not for me. It's exciting. The wind is like pushing my phone out of my hand. It's not a big bird in the pool, but it's still alive. Oh no.
Come too close.
So, mini hurricane update. We have no light. I am filming on my phone. We have food, but we can't cook anything because we don't have gas. So, it's a good day. The bird is still alive. We put it in his shoe and we covered it and it's sleeping. So, we'll see if tomorrow we can find its mom because we saw the mom trying to look for it, but it's really windy, so we didn't want to risk putting it outside. So, I'll update tomorrow. So it's like super dark. We still don't have light. We got light for like half an hour, and then it went off again. What? Then it went off again. The outside of the building has light, but the inside doesn't, and we're dying of heat. Like legit, we had to come into the living room area because we have a breeze, but even the windows and the patio doors open don't do anything. Let me just show you guys. So you open all of that. We have the door open, and see there's light outside, but there's nothing like inside. Like everything is dark. So you guys, we woke up this morning and little birdie woke up and decided to move around. I thought she died. She's okay. She's okay. Oh, she's so small. I think she does fly a little bit, but I think she needs her mama. She needs love. Oh, poor baby. Huh? I'm so sad I didn't get it on tape, but he was holding her in her hand, in his hand, and she flew. She flew away, so she can't fly. I think she just needs to get her strength back. But she went to find her family and friends. But I told him, look at that, you saved a life, didn't you?